Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new haul video. Today we have beautiful summer wool here for you today. These are all new, they're all from Rico Design, and here I'm starting with the Creative Summer Sprinkles. It's really cute, great colors. It's like pastel-y pinks, oranges, yellows, and like a little bit of green maybe. It's like a mix of pastel and neon maybe, which is an interesting mix, but it looks so cute. It looked kind of like the sprinkles you might put on your ice cream or something like that. And I'm obviously going to open this up later and show you a little more details. It's 100 grams, 320 meters, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, and it's meant for a size 3.4 to 4 crocheting hooks. And the color code is the number 8. So this, the mix here is the color number 8. I'm going to take off the label here so we can pull out some of this yarn and look at it a little closer. Here is the beginning. And so you can see here, it's really interesting, the color fade, and it has a lot of different colors, and I think it looks great. Here you can see, for example, a lot of orange, and then here it adds in a little bit of green and the pink. The threads here are very thin. I'm going to unravel it here a little bit. We can see that it's 4 different threads that make up this yarn, and they're kind of like wrapped around each other. And so I'm looking here to see what the color fade is like. So here I'm going to follow this one here, one of them. It's kind of like yellowish green. And you can see what the color fade looks like here. It kind of turns pink. Very nice. And here, the beginning is all like kind of wrapped up, but no knots. It's just all kind of stuck together. Oh, here's a knot actually. But it's not a problem at all with this thickness of the thread. I would just crochet right with this. The wool really looks super pretty, really interesting. Very nice combination of the colors with the like slight neons and then the pastel colors. I love this. This looks great for summer or for spring, maybe for a shawl, a triangle scarf. With this length, actually, you could make a full scarf or a full triangle shawl, no problem at all. And in the next weeks, I'm sure you will see this wool back on my channel for a tutorial. This was called Summer Sprinkles. And honestly, the name is awesome. Very fitting and great. And so continuing here with this next wool, this is great for summer also. It's also made with some cotton, but here we'll start with this one. It's called Fashion Cotton Light and Long. It is 50 grams and 185 meters. That's why it's called Light and Long. It's 47% cotton, 46% acrylic, and 7% polyamide. So yeah, it's a very light thread. And with that length, it's very light. It's awesome for summer. And the cotton part makes it very nice and soft. Meant for size 4 crocheting hooks. I think that's interesting because I want to compare these threads later. They're both meant for size 4 crocheting hooks, but this one just looks a little thicker and feels very different. So I want to compare them and see what I think about the crocheting hook. And here we have the color code is the number 3. I'm going to take off the tag here, the label here, and it looks all kind of very blue from the outside, but it has very different colors. I actually used this last year also. So we have this blue, then we have kind of a color fade, it's kind of like green, then a yellow, then some like pinks, and then we have more blue, but there's also some purple again, and then that leads to the blue again. It's a really nice colors, kind of like a rainbow, but yeah, just so cute. It's also not fully colored. You can see here, you kind of have these white little fluffs. I'm not really sure what to call this here. They're not different threads that are wrapped around each other. It's this, yeah, it's one whole thread, but it has the structure, has a texture, and has this white fluff all around. It's nice and voluminous. It's very soft, and yeah, super different. It feels very different and looks very different to the sprinkle one. Both are meant for size 4 crocheting hooks, or well, the sprinkle one 3.5 to 4, but they're obviously not the same thickness. So I guess we'll see how that works at another point. But I can actually imagine both of them with a size 4 crocheting hook. I think they would both work fine. And this one here, yeah, it's just a little fluffier, but I think a size 4 would be fine. I'm gonna see if I have my size 4 crocheting hook laying around here to see if we can try some stuff. This is my 3.5, here's the number 5. I might not have the size 4 crocheting hook laying around, but it's kind of like this one, so I'm gonna try a couple of chain stitches here and see what it feels like. This is my 4.5 crocheting hook, and I think this should work fine as well. This works perfectly, and the 4.5 is not a problem at all. You can see here my chain stitches, very simple, very smooth. And this one I'm also going to try for a second here. A lot thinner. I'm going to use the 3.5 crocheting hook. I think you could also crochet this really nicely with a size 6 crocheting hook if you take the thread double, or if you're trying to be very loose with a bigger hook. But this also works really, really well, working perfectly with a 3.5 crocheting hook. No problems at all here. Very smooth, very easy. And here you can see, yeah, the color fade again very nicely. So those are these 2 balls of yarn. I'm going to put the tags back on. And yeah, both of these are really, really light, light wools, light yarn. And this is another one of the light and long. This is the color number 4. It's obviously the same type of wool, but it just has a different color, different colors. And so it has these purples and then an orange, kind of, yeah, a little, I don't know what to call this exactly. It has maybe more of a pinkish fade. Instead of the white fluff that we saw on the other one, it has like more of a pastel-y, colorful fluff. And those are the main colors that we see in here, kind of more earth tones, brownish. Very, very nice. And then this is the last one. It's called Rico Baby Dream DK, a luxury touch. It's also by Rico Design, and it's the color number 2. Lovely colors over here. So cute, like some purples, yellows, oranges, some blue. Really, really cute color fades over here. It has some whites here as well. And here again more, and yeah, it's a slow color fade, so the color stays very similar for quite a while, so it's not too chaotic. And yeah, just really nice colors, beautiful colors. And it's 50 grams and 115 meters. It's 50% acrylic and 50% polyamide, and it's meant for size 4 crocheting hooks. So same basically as all the other ones. Here also you can see similar, a little thicker here than the one on the left, but I can imagine this really, really well with a size 4 crocheting hook. I don't think that's any problem. And yeah, really soft. Yeah, as it says here, luxury touch. So it's really, really soft, awesome for babies or small children. Definitely will not scratch your skin. And then here we have the same one in the Dream Tweed DK variation. It's the same wool, just a different color and not the same color fade. It is 50 grams and 145 meters, so it's not the same length. This is a little different too. The composition is 45% polyamide, 38% acrylic, and 17% viscose. And as you can see here, that's a very nice baby blue with these little black, with these little black splotches here. And it's kind of like a thread that is wrapped around the light blue one, and that's probably what the viscose is, if I had to guess. And I'm looking here, and yeah, it's just the thin black thread actually has an even thinner one wrapped around that one that's kind of the same like light blue as the initial thread. And yeah, so it's the same color all over. There's no color fade, but also really, really cute for a little baby. And this is called the color number 3. And so this is my little haul today. These are my, the baby wools, and then we have the 2 here of the light and long. In the 2 different color fades, I think these are really, really nice. The blue, yellow, and purple, and then this one is more the purple and orange and some more earthy colors. Not quite as colorful, but also, really nice. And then the first one that we talked about, the summer sprinkle, just a lovely little haul today here. And I'm sure you will see all of these on my channel for some videos and tutorials. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you like this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends, and see you next time.